say yeah.
Yeah! Oh no, she got me! That's too much, that's too much! Stop kissing me! Why are you doing this? Why? Ah! Nom. Nom 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 nom. I pinch it.
When a kitty drinks too much milk.
What's up, dude?
Of going to the dog park?
And then she tried to do it again, and I was like, are you dumb? Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her that everything that was going down for a reason. She wasn't trying to.
I've lost my voice, and my dog won't eat his dinner because I can't say his release word.
Okay.
Ma'am looks good.
Okay. Yes.
Drools on floor.
Okay.
I really want this.
Okay.
What the F are you on about, Mom?
That's good. Hey, hold on. What's that? That Dr. Pepper? That's that Dr. Pepper.
Hey, mate. You alright? I'll take that as a no.
Dude, you're 14 years old. Grow up. Stop playing with a charging box. What are you doing?
You know why dogs are better than cats? Because a cat will try to bite your hand off if you accidentally touch it in the exact wrong spot. But you could smack a dog in the nose and they're like, do you want to play frisbee?
Alright, who in the actual booty hell took a bite out of my sandwich? Was it you? I know it was you, you little son of mana. You son of mana. Who's your good girl, huh?
What's under that hood? Oh yeah, that's a big problem.
Another neighbor tell me that there was a dead horse in my yard, so I'm doing a life check. Okay, Squidward. Squidward. Squidward, are you dead? Are you dead, Mama? No? Okay, well that's...
Yes. Yes. Yay.